Well, good afternoon. Wednesday, May 14th, 2024, or 2025. That four got me. Boy. uh, it's about 1:25 in the PM. I'm tired. Hope everybody's doing good. It's middle of the week, but for me, it's my weekend. And, well, got a, got a bunch of my beekeeping equipment out of here. Didn't make anything off of it because I gave it to my cousin, Marvin. And we're going to try to figure out how to get the bees over there sometime next week. Yeah, fun stuff. Moving bees. Just saying. It is what it is. Uh, Hopefully, it'll be an easy move and we'll be able to get it taken care of in one fairly easy trip. Sorry, my keyboard is starting to get weak, so I'm plugging it in. I hope. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. Uh, yeah, the bees will be going out, and hopefully he'll. I hope he decides that it's a hobby worth having and gets into it and starts making, tending to the bees and getting some money from honey. I doubt he'll make a lot of money, but if he makes some, well, that's good. It's better than nothing, and somebody's getting some use out of it. I was looking at some of the bees they got in the Philippines, and I don't think that they have the kind of bees we have. Uh, I think their bees are stingless. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I thought I heard that somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. I may try to raise bees once I find a place I want to settle into, especially if they're stingless. Uh, Being allergic to bees, I probably shouldn't have been raising bees. That's why I kept a EpiPen in there just in case. Actually, I'd carry it outside when I was working them. That way, if I had to, I could stick myself through the bee suit. But when I first started doing them, I could get hit once or twice, and I'd be kind of needing to go. Now I can get hit 4 or 5 times, and not have to go to the hospital. Just go inside and call it a day. It's ruined, but I'm not. I'm just, yeah, it is what it is. But boy, remember when I was younger, I get hit with one bee sting and I'd be on my way to the hospital. The wasp, oh Lord, uh, yeah. I made the mistake of getting too close to a wasp nest one time and got stung like 5 times in my leg and went to the hospital and my leg swelled up like a balloon. Couldn't move it, couldn't bend it at all. Hurt too much to bend it. Yeah, that's not something you want to do. Had to go to the hospital and have them mess with me. I advise not being allergic to bees. If you are, I'd advise not messing with them. But if you are allergic to bees and you can, or stinging buzz, bees, wasps, uh, if you can get hit once and slowly do it kind of every couple of months until you build up some resistance, that is something possible. I know One used to make me want to call it a day. Now five makes me want to call it a day. I'd prefer not to have that many hit me, but sometimes you just don't get lucky. I've had the hat get slung over to one side. Yeah, not good. Yeah, I hope my cousin learns. I gave him the couple of books that I got that I studied through. I did some more studying on the online and learning how to do them, and went out there and started practicing. I ain't gonna say I was good at it, but hey, they survived. I survived. Well, they survived mostly. I survived mostly. uh, yeah, that was a hobby that I enjoyed. I picked it up from one of my friends in East Texas. The boss I had that was on the crawfish farm, that built the crawfish farm, Bill. I miss him. Very dear friend. Passed away a little over a year ago. Yeah, lost too many friends. It's getting to that point where I better start making some more because I'm running out of them fast. Yeah, it's one of those things. Anyway, uh, ended up tending with, talking with my cousin and getting the beekeeping equipment into his truck and down the road. Somebody came by and took away the last of my fish tanks and stands. Hopefully they'll. I hope he doesn't just turn them into scrap metal on the stands. If he could run a sandblaster over them and repaint them, they'd really be good. That's all they need. But who knows? But yeah, somebody took one of the stands and I think 3 tanks. Don't know why they didn't grab an extra stand, but trying to figure other people out isn't me. But yeah, and I sold one of my 55-gallon blue plastic water drums, oil drum, 55-gallon, which is a good thing. I got a bunch of other ones in the back that are cut in half and this, that, and I used them to make grow beds. My cousin's going to try to come over with my aunt's truck and get those. He's going to carry the rock that's in them and the barrel itself. So, yay. That should be a good thing. Uh, yeah, we'll see if we can get him up in the back of the truck fairly easy. An effort. uh, Told him he'll have to get him out of the truck himself. Or I'm pretty sure he can figure it out. It's going downhill at that point. Uh, but going up, I'll give him a hand. Get him in the truck. Hey, it gets him off my place, and it gives him a good use. But yeah, didn't get the mowing done, so it is what it is. Uh, Gonna try to get up tonight and into my day. I'm gonna try to get up tonight and run the pull the tile up off the floor and try to get the living room all to the center so I can use it use my tarp over the stuff in the center and then paint. So hopefully tomorrow night get some paint. But well, tonight, tomorrow morning, after I wake up, try to get something done there. Hopefully I can get the tile up and the prep done today or tonight. And we'll see. Uh, yeah, trying to see into the future and know for sure what's going to happen isn't easy. Not my strong suit. Anyway, I got to go to bed, and I got this thing to get in the can and uploaded. So yay! Got an update on this computer. So after I get the thing uploaded and shipped off, uh, restart that thing and then go to bed. I probably still have most of an hour, if not an hour and a half. So it is what it is. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines, come along, like, comment, subscribe, more food, more friends, more family. Oh, fish out, more food.